Today we're going to be opening up the National Geographic Rock and Mineral Starter Kit, which should include 15 specimens, 1 storage case, 1 magnifying glass, and 1 learning guide. I have not bought one of these particular ones before. In a previous episode, we did the Shark Tooth Dig Kit, and today we're doing this one. So there's no digging involved. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what we're working with. And like I said in the previous video, this is for parents that want to get something cool for their kids. This would be a great activity for those parents that want to do something like this, or that if their kids are getting into rocks and they want a good starter kit. Again, this is something like $10 at the location that we were at. They could be at different prices somewhere else. So let's see what National Geographic included in this starter kit. All right. So we got our learning guide. Set that aside here. We got a really nice display case. I'm going to open that up. Okay. We don't need the knife. They're actually regular bags here. Ziploc bags. Okay. We got polished specimens. And we got rough material. We got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. We have 15 specimens here. We got a handy dandy magnifying glass, which I'm not really going to use today, but whoever else decides to purchase these, you're more than welcome to. Actually, no, why not? So we got this is a Pyrite. See how close we can get the camera here. Oh, check it out. Well, okay. Camera does not like that. Okay. So most of these I should be able to identify, well, at least most of them anyway. I know these two are a little bit harder for me to figure out, but I'm pretty sure this is a venturine right here. This little green one. You got tiger's eye. Nice, beautiful polished specimen too. We got some Jasper. I'm pretty sure that's rose quartz. Yeah, it's rose quartz. Little polished piece of rose quartz. You got some hematite, some snowflake obsidian, and over here we have a desert rose or a calcite rose. You got pyrite, got some pumice, which this will actually float in water. It's super light. I'm pretty sure that's quartz, if not calcite. Pretty sure it's quartz. We got a rough chunk of rose quartz. That looks like calcite. And then this also looks like calcite, but we'll find out here in a second what it is. So let's look at our guidebook that we are given. Again, we got pyrite right here. Got pyrite. We'll go ahead and put this in the box as we identify them. We got our pyrite right there. Nice little specimen. Desert rose, which again, it's calcite. So we'll go ahead and put that in the top slot right there. Quartz. I'm pretty sure that's the quartz crystal they included, which, I mean, to each their own, but I feel like it could have been a little bit better specimen, but it's still really nice of them to actually do something like this for people that are, or for children that are started getting into this, because this, this is rated for 8+. I am well above that age limit or the age group. So that's their quartz specimen that they included. Next on the line is Tiger's Eye, which is this beautiful specimen I just almost dropped on the concrete floor. Beautiful specimen. Right there. Oh, I was wrong then. So which one of these is fluorite then? That's rose quartz. So either one of these could be fluorite. So I'll come back to that one. We'll leave that spot up there in the corner blank until we can get back to it. Hematite. That one's easy. Got a hematite right there. Right there. Next is rose quartz. Again, that's actually pretty easy. They gave us 2 different specimens. Little piece of rose quartz right there. Snowflake obsidian. Again, pretty easy to identify. And put that one right there. Adventurine. Okay. So that's this little one right here. That's the adventurine. Right there. Jasper. Or Jasper. It's red Jasper. So we got red Jasper. And I think they had given us a green zebra Jasper, which is this one right here, which is why I couldn't identify it. I'm not the best identifying as certain varieties of Jasper. I just know that, you know, the solid color ones are easy, but when you get to these special different ones, like, it's hard for me to identify specific varieties. So that's still pretty cool though. All right. So we have calcite, which fairly certain this is the calcite piece, so that goes there, which that leaves this being the fluorite piece, and which will go up here, which I still feel like that I'll have to figure that part out, because I feel like these both are the same color, but I've seen this color of calcite when I worked at the rock shop. So I'm pretty sure that this is the calcite and that this is the fluorite. So let's put that there for now. Pumice, that one was super easy because it's so light and fluffy. That's the pumice. I don't really have a container of water here to show you that can float, but this is the kind of pumice that will float on water. Oh. We didn't skip a page, did we? Nope. Okay. So I'm guessing that this blue one has to be blue adventurine. I'm guessing because there was no blue stones in here. Oh. Right there. Some blue. Bingo. Adventurine. And then, of course, our rough piece of rose quartz. Alright, thanks for stopping by and opening this up with me. This is the first time I got to do something like this. I hope to do more of these. They're super fun, and it also gives parents an idea of what they're paying for their kids when they first get into rocks and minerals and other awesome rock-related stuff. I got this at a local craft store. You can probably get these online through Amazon. I recommend getting these. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just thought this would be super fun to do. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. I will probably do more like this. And until that time, I will see you in the next video. Rock on.